The ultrasonic cool mist humidifier. A new Levoit humidifier made for you. When it's time to add water, the top fill design makes it easy to refill. With a 3-litre tank and up to 25 hours of continuous runtime, wake up to soothing air to start your morning right. Customize your space with aromatherapy. Simply add your favorite essential oil to create the perfect atmosphere. Control the direction of the mist with a 360-degree nozzle for complete coverage. Customize the humidity level in each room using the precise and easy-to-use control knob. When it's time for bed, add a comforting glow with the optional nightlight. Improve your day-to-day with the ultrasonic cool mist humidifier, because at Levoit, we care about the little things. Levoit.